Show a board in the air like Iman Gadzhi in Premiere Pro. With the rectangle tool, click in the preview window and drag to create a rectangle. Set fill color to black, set stroke to white, and make it 10 pixels. Also, decrease opacity a little bit and drag the rectangle to the position you want. Now move the playhead to the start and uncheck the Uniform Scale checkbox. Set scale height to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Now hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key twice to go forward 10 frames and set scale height to 100. Move the playhead to the location you want to hide the rectangle and click on the circle button. Move the playhead 10 frames forward and set it to 0 again to create the last keyframe. Now to smoothen the animation, select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. Also, you can expand the scale height and drag these small handles to add more curves to the animation. Now to make the rectangle 3D like what we saw in Iman's video, in the effects panel search for basic 3D and add it to the rectangle. Set swivel to -20 degrees. And if you want, you can select the rectangle and adjust its width. I also use this sound effect at the start and end of the animation to make it nicer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.